Hello, my name is Hannah and I'm with the Center for Children, Families, and Workforce Development. Today I'd like to discuss the basics of qualitative research methodologies. Qualitative research is a scientific method of observation that aims to understand how people experience a specific phenomenon. Qualitative research explores people's motivations, feelings, and preferences in order to uncover detailed and in-depth information about their experiences or interactions in their social world. Qualitative research can answer how, what, who, when, where, and why questions. For example, qualitative research could answer how someone might manage to be a full-time student while also having a full-time job. Qualitative research could also answer why a group of people might choose to rock climb outdoors without a helmet. Qualitative data can be collected in a variety of ways. For example, you can conduct in-depth interviews and provide a series of questions in a one-on-one setting with a participant. Or, in a focus group, you could provide a series of questions to a group of people and explore the group's dialogue surrounding that specific phenomenon. Both of these methodologies depend on the researcher using open-ended questions and providing participants an opportunity to answer in their own words. You could use observations if you wanted to witness firsthand how people behave in a specific environment. Or you could conduct content analysis and analyze pre-existing data such as newspapers, videos, or audio recordings in order to identify different patterns of communication or behavior. So, qualitative research uses the participants' perspectives to create rich and descriptive narratives of the complex nature or meaning of specific phenomenon. Today, we've just covered the surface of qualitative research methods. Qualitative research methods are highly complex and can take years to learn. I hope that this video sparked some interest, and thanks for tuning in.